In a surprising turn of events, the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict has been overshadowed by major technological developments. Israel and its allies have revealed advanced fighter jets with impressive capabilities, while Elon Musk's SpaceX has made headlines by launching a UFO-like craft, challenging the US government. This mysterious UFO has sparked global curiosity, raising questions about its technology and potential impact on the conflict. What makes this UFO so unique, and how might its presence influence the Israel-Hamas conflict? Join us as we explore the extraordinary features of Elon Musk's UFO fighter jet, which seems to defy the laws of physics. Under Musk's leadership, SpaceX has made significant strides in space technology, including the development of three key rockets: the Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and Falcon Heavy. The Falcon 1 was SpaceX's first rocket and marked a breakthrough as the first privately funded, liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. Though retired in 2009 after 5 launches, its success laid the foundation for future SpaceX achievements. The Falcon 9, a medium lift rocket capable of carrying up to 22,800 kilograms into orbit, has become essential for space missions. Introduced in 2010 and updated over time, the Falcon 9 is reusable first stage, which can land, be recovered, and flown again, represents a major innovation. SpaceX later introduced the Falcon Heavy, a powerful rocket capable of carrying up to 63,800 kilograms into low Earth orbit or 26,700 kilograms into higher orbits. Its first mission in 2018 famously sent Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster into space, showcasing the rocket's impressive capabilities. Looking ahead, SpaceX is developing the Starship, a fully reusable rocket system designed for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The system includes the Super Heavy first stage and the Starship second stage, aiming to surpass current rocket technology. Beyond rockets, SpaceX has also developed various rocket engines, including the Merlin, Kestrel, and Raptor. The Raptor engine, which uses liquid oxygen and methane, is particularly important for powering the Starship system. Additionally, SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft, which transports cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station, has advanced with the new Dragon 2 model, which completed its first crewed flight in 2020. Amid the chaos, Elon Musk's bold approach has led to the creation of a real UFO, the X-1, closely monitored by the US government. This remarkable craft, developed through years of effort and teamwork at SpaceX, reaches hypersonic speeds of 4,600 miles per hour and boasts impressive fuel efficiency. Musk's move into advanced aerospace technology raises intriguing questions about how innovation intersects with global politics and conflicts. The X-1's uniqueness extends to its groundbreaking camouflage technology, rendering it practically invisible as it glides through the sky, disguised as a cloud. The Pentagon's initial bewilderment, mistaking it for a UFO and subsequently launching fighter jets in pursuit, adds a layer of suspense to this cosmic saga. Musk's penchant for secrecy in developing the X-1 has triggered confusion in the Hamas camp, leaving militants puzzled by the visionary entrepreneur. What makes the X-1 so remarkable is that it is the only aircraft equipped with a compact space shuttle engine. Previously only seen on the Hawk hypersonic missile developed by SpaceX, this missile can reach an astounding speed of over 4,600 miles per hour, bypassing all modern missile defense systems. Now, this engine powers the new X-1, which also boasts a design improvement that reduces fuel consumption by 30%. The spacecraft's reduced fuel use surpasses traditional military technology and incorporates microwave technology, reminiscent of a sci-fi movie, capable of melting enemy aircraft or disrupting their electronics. This could revolutionize modern warfare. Another fascinating application of this system is its use as a non-lethal weapon. When the radiation is toned down and aimed at a person, 83% of the energy is absorbed by the top layer of skin, creating a sensation like being dipped in molten metal. This unbearable feeling would force anyone to flee the area instantly, abandoning their tank or equipment, which could then be easily captured. This would be a game-changing asset for the US military. However, as it stands, the Pentagon and Elon Musk are at odds over the technology, sparking a nuanced debate on the role of such advanced technology in modern conflict. Despite the tension between the military and Musk, the X-1 continues to impress with its stealth technology, which avoids radar detection and reaches an incredible altitude of 105,000 feet, even higher than the famous Sirius 71 Blackbird. This mix of speed, invisibility, and high altitude could transform space travel and change how air defense systems operate. However, like every other aircraft ever created, the X-1 isn't invulnerable to challenges. To counter this high-flying craft, supersonic missiles are needed. The F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor come into play with their advanced technology. Despite their strengths, the F-35 and F-22 struggle to keep up as the X-1 zooms at 4,600 miles per hour. While an F-35 is still en route, the X-1 would have already reached its target, destroyed it, and returned to base without needing to refuel. The developers of the X-1 aim to build a fighter for the 21st century that can take on all advanced threats. The F-35 and F-22 have powerful weapons, such as the M10 hypersonic missiles that travel at Mach 4, reaching up to 3,100 miles per hour. However, these missiles can only maintain their speed for about half an hour, making the battle an intense and high-stakes challenge. The X-1, on the other hand, is different in terms of its armaments. It can destroy targets with a very unusual weapon, a microwave system that emits electromagnetic vibrations in the millimeter wave range. These waves, when directed at an object, affect it like a laser, but over a much wider range. Microwave radiation at full power can melt an enemy aircraft, but more often, this system is used to disable all electronics, turning a fighter jet into a pile of flying scrap metal. The tale of this technological excellence also highlights the crucial role of skilled pilots. Fighter jets aren't just machines, they are flown by experts who can outthink any SpaceX operator flying the X-1. The combination of advanced technology and human skill makes the aerial competition more complex and exciting. The situation changes when considering altitude. The X-1 stands out with its ability to reach astonishing heights, using an engine typically found in space launches to soar up to 105,000 feet, while the F-22 Raptor, though very agile, only reaches 72,000 feet, making it less competitive at higher levels. The addition of the X-1's microwave weapon raises the stakes even further. Although the F-22's impressive maneuvers might help it evade danger when things get intense, previously, the only United States aircraft capable of reaching such altitudes was the Sirius 71 Blackbird, which lacked attack capabilities and relied on flying very high and fast to avoid being caught. Its radar-evading tricks and dark color made it hard to track, even when targeted by missiles. It could often outrun or dodge them. At that same height, the X-1 is untouchable by air defense systems, giving it an edge over the Blackbird. The only way to take it down would be with a fighter jet that can get close enough to launch a supersonic missile. The US has such aircraft, namely the F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor, both of which are formidable opponents. Besides exploring space, SpaceX has launched projects like Starlink, a satellite network aimed at providing affordable internet worldwide. By December 2022, Starlink had over 1 million subscribers, though some astronomers have raised concerns about light pollution. Elon Musk's efforts also include humanitarian work. In 2018, SpaceX created a mini-submarine to help rescue children trapped in a flooded cave in Thailand. During the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, the company supported public health by collaborating on antibody testing to fight the virus, showing its commitment to societal well-being beyond space exploration. When the Israel-Hamas conflict began in October 2023, responses varied. At least 44 countries labeled Hamas a terrorist organization, while some Middle Eastern nations called for de-escalation, pointing to Israel's long-term occupation of Palestinian territories. The conflict also led to clashes between Israeli forces and militants in Lebanon, including Hezbollah. The US military has showcased its impressive technology, with Lockheed Martin leading the way in aerospace innovation. The F-35 Lightning II and the stealthy F-117 Nighthawk, developed by Lockheed Martin, are well known in aviation history. The Sirius 71 Blackbird, famous for its incredible speed of 2,000 miles per hour, pushed the boundaries of aerodynamics and proved that advanced aerospace technology could overcome even extreme conditions, like temperatures of 750 Fahrenheit during flight. Now, the focus shifts to the Sirius 72, designed to break speed records and master aerodynamics. Its propulsion system is a blend of conventional turbojet and advanced ramjet technology, optimizing performance throughout the flight. The Cineas 72's design is a careful balance of form and function, with engineers paying close attention to both its appearance and its capabilities. The aircraft's engine transforms fuel into powerful thrust, making the Cineas 72 truly exceptional. The Cineas 72's staggering Mach 10 capability is not just a numerical statistic, it's a testament to technological achievement. This speed enables rapid, evasive maneuvers, allowing the aircraft to respond to threats with agility. However, despite its incredible speed and technology, the Cineas 72 isn't just about raw power. Its role in military operations involves subtlety and precision. It's designed for reconnaissance and intelligence missions, relying on sophisticated sensors and systems to gather information while avoiding detection. The aircraft's sleek, angular design is a deliberate choice, maximizing speed and radar evasion. In the complex world of aerial warfare, where the outcome can hinge on milliseconds, the Cineas 72 is a game changer. It highlights how technological innovation in aerospace can give military forces a strategic advantage. The ability to penetrate enemy defenses with unparalleled speed and deliver vital intelligence or strike capabilities is a significant development in modern warfare. Yet, its presence also raises important ethical and strategic questions about the role of such advanced technology in conflicts and the potential consequences of its use. In summary, Elon Musk's SpaceX is driving an unprecedented wave of technological change, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The X-1 fighter jet, with its advanced microwave weaponry and extreme capabilities, represents a new era in aerospace innovation. As these technologies evolve, they may reshape not only warfare, but also our broader understanding of aerospace possibilities. The intersection of advanced technology and global conflicts, as seen in the Israel-Hamas situation, highlights the complex role of innovation in today's world.